Hello friends! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best underwater camera just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best underwater camera to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started. Product number 1. AKSO AK7000 Sports Waterproof Camcorder. The AKSO AK7000 is an affordable and versatile action camera suitable for underwater use and extreme sports. It is waterproof up to 131 feet, 40 meters, making it perfect for snorkeling, swimming, and shallow diving. The camera shoots 4K video at 30 FPS and captures 20 megapixel still images, providing sharp and clear footage for both photography and video. A 2-inch touchscreen makes the camera easy to operate, and electronic image stabilization reduces shakiness, ensuring smooth underwater video. Its wide-angle lens is ideal for capturing scenic underwater landscapes or group shots. Multiple mounting options allow attachment to helmets, surfboards, or other adventure gear. Although audio quality is limited inside the waterproof housing, the AKSO AK7000 offers excellent performance and value for beginners and hobbyists. Product number 2. Kodak PixPro Waterproof Digital Camera. The Kodak PixPro is a compact and rugged camera designed for casual underwater photography. It is waterproof up to 15 meters, 49 feet, making it perfect for snorkeling and shallow dives. Featuring a 16-megapixel sensor and full HD 1080p video, the PixPro delivers reliable image quality for everyday use. The 2.7-inch LCD screen helps with framing shots, and the 4x optical zoom adds versatility. Its shockproof and dustproof design ensures durability during outdoor adventures. While it does not offer advanced stabilization or 4K video, the PixPro is lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to operate, making it ideal for travelers and casual users who want a dependable underwater camera without complicated settings. Product number 3. Underwater Waterproof Autofocus Dual-Screen Snorkeling Camera. This dual-screen underwater camera is designed for convenience and versatility. One screen faces the rear for standard shots, while a front-facing screen makes selfies or video vlogging easy. Autofocus ensures sharp images, and a wide-angle lens captures scenic underwater views. Lightweight and portable, this camera is ideal for travel and casual snorkeling. However, its waterproof depth rating is generally limited, and stabilization may not be as effective as higher-end action cameras. This model is perfect for users who want ease of use, selfie-friendly features, and portability rather than professional-grade underwater performance. Product number 4. AUD-DV 4K 60 FPS 30MP Action Camera. The AUD-DV 4K 60 FPS action camera is designed for users seeking higher resolution video and stills. It supports 4K video at 60 FPS and 30MP photos, making it ideal for underwater vlogging, snorkeling, and capturing detailed aquatic scenes. Equipped with a wide-angle lens and waterproof housing, it delivers impressive clarity and smooth footage, especially when paired with its image stabilization features. The AUD-DV camera is well-suited for intermediate users or adventure content creators who want quality footage without investing in professional diving equipment. Beyond underwater use, it is versatile enough for cycling, hiking, and other action sports. Product number 5. Underwater Waterproof Autofocus Floatable Snorkeling Camera. This floatable snorkeling camera is designed for convenience and safety in water. Its buoyant design prevents accidental loss, while autofocus allows effortless sharp images. Waterproof construction enables shallow snorkeling and beachside use without worry. Lightweight and easy to handle, it is perfect for selfies, family photos, and casual underwater shots. While it is not intended for deep dives or professional underwater photography, it excels in portability, ease of use, and fun, making it ideal for vacationers and casual snorkelers.